You guys have always heard about financial audits, which CAs do, right? But do you know what IT audit is? Hi everyone, my name is Diksha. I am a certified CISA and ISO IT auditor, and welcome to my channel. On this channel, we will talk about IT audit, cybersecurity, corporate life, and everything in between. So, I have always been asked, what is your job? What IT auditors do? So, here it is. Let's break it down in plain English. An IT audit, also called a technology audit, we review a company's tech systems to make sure they are working correctly, they are secure, they are following rules and policies. Think of it like a health checkup, but for tech, for organization systems. We check things like data security, who has access to systems, whether they should have access to systems or not, whether rules are being followed or not. We are not here to blame anyone. We just find gaps before bad things happen. Like let me give you an example. Suppose a company has 100 employees and one of the employee left, but after a few months it was discovered that the employee still has access to those systems. What wrong could go? There are a lot of things that can go wrong over here. The employee could exploit his access for any unauthorized activity, any illegal processes, which is bad for the organization in many ways. So, an IT audit would catch that and recommend rules around it, controls around it, like disable accounts when employees left the organization, implement alerts for the inactive users, review accesses on a very regular basis so that we know which access is appropriate or not. Things like that. So basically, we help companies avoid data leaks, hacks, fines before they even happen. There are different types of IT audits which are being performed for the organization, like compliance audit, cybersecurity audit. Each one focuses on different risk, but the goal is always the same: protect the organization. We will cover each type in my upcoming videos. So if you want to learn more about it, hit that subscribe button and follow me along in my journey. So, just to wrap it up, IT audit is a tech checkup that keeps your system safe, secure, and compliant. If you are curious about becoming an IT auditor or understand cybersecurity better, hit that subscribe button and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.